Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get fluorite on Heartopia. So every day it spawns in a different location. Today it happens to just spawn in front of my house here. But if you have friends all around the area, you're able to ask them if they've seen one like around the area. But this is what it looks like. Again, it only spawns like sometimes. I'm just gonna take a picture because I need it for my thumbnail. So let me just do that. Whoops. Just take a picture here. Sorry. And to harvest it, I guess just go to T and get your X, and you're just going to press F, and you'll be able to get fluorite. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!